There's a first time for everything, as a first-year teacher at Minuteman High School led its first robotics team to receiving its first ever awards in program history at a competition sponsored by a nonprofit that happens to be called FIRST.
It was always kind of in the back of my mind, so I actually have done this before. I started after college. I really wanted to start my own FRC team. I was on one when I was in high school, and it's what inspired me to want to be an engineer and study at WPI. And then after WPI, I was like, I really want to keep giving back. This is just like the light of my life.
Deanna Clark, an engineering teacher and faculty advisor for the robotics team, assembled the team and prepares them to enter their first competition. In the years before COVID, teams were given a game to partake in, and students then took on the challenge of building a battle-ready robot to compete.
This year, they modified it a little bit. So they had 3 different challenges. They had an innovation challenge, which was like a research project. They had a game design challenge. You could actually design your own FRC game, and we had one of our students design one, and he won the award for Rookie Game Design Challenge, which is awesome. And then there was a third called Infinite Recharge at Home, which is basically building the robot to play a modified version of an old game from 2020. And they had like driving challenges and ball shooting challenges, and we also competed in that.
As you just heard from Deanna, Minuteman was awarded the Rookie Game Design Challenge. They also won the Rookie Game Changer Award for their success in the Infinite Recharge at Home Challenge.
Those were the only 2 awards that we were eligible for, and we won both of them. We weren't the only rookie team in our division. We were competing against a lot of other teams, so to be honored not 1 but 2 was just totally blew our minds. It was awesome.
The FIRST Robotics Competition is a very competitive event, and it took a lot of preparation to come out on top. Sophomore coder Charlie Brule describes it this way.
It's a long process. It was like several months, but the early part of that was we were meeting like once a week for like an hour to go like model various parts of the robot, and then later on we spent like 10-hour days on the weekend like fully building everything up. So it definitely was a very back heavy production. The weekend event was literally called Robot in 3 Days Procrastination Edition. Because we kind of expected to be able to okay, we'll have each person assemble a subsystem and then build the robot, but that ended up we just did not have the time, so we just kind of had to all go to one place and then just build it as quick as possible.
One of the talented students from Arlington who joined the team just a couple of months ago could not have been more excited to realize she was part of something special.
So far, the experience has been awesome. Being part of a competition, doing the community service, since I'm the media leader, taking videos of everything and documenting everything, editing all together, and kind of having these I don't know how to describe it, keepsakes, I guess, of the team and how we were when we first began. It's kind of really awesome to be a part of it.
I think I'm looking forward to seeing the team grow, and it's not just the same 10, 12 people throwing most of the robot together, and it becomes more of a community thing. Now that we have a robot, we're going to be doing tons of outreach events and demos and showing it off a lot. Mostly just showing the robot off. It's a cool robot.
Well, especially here, as I learn more about multimedia, I can become a better media leader for the team, which means I can be more I can't find the words, but I can be a better media leader, I can be a better editor, I can be a better documentarian for the team, and that is just kind of really exciting to me to see how far I'll grow in my shop personally and for the team. And it's all just really exciting to have this kind of new leaf, a new chapter of my life that I can be a part of, and it's great. I love it so far.
The kids just love it. It really ignited this passion and this spark in them that you just don't see in a typical classroom because it's just so hands-on, it's so engaging, it's fun, it's competitive, and it's real-world engineering.
Reporting from Minuteman Regional High School, I'm Anim Osmani, ACMI News.